Hi, and thanks for tuning in today. I'm Lisa Almaguer, and today is Thursday, April 1st. So happy first day of April. Happy April Fool's Day. Today we'll talk about, this is your vaccine update, and today we'll talk about MyTurn and the new vaccine eligibility for people 16 and older that we issued earlier this week. And then I'll answer some popular questions that we've been receiving. So earlier this week, we announced that anyone living or working in Butte County, ages 16 or older, is now eligible to get the COVID vaccination. So fantastic news. So when we made this announcement, the state's scheduling site, MyTurn, had not activated the age group for those 16 and older. MyTurn has now updated their site and now offers the appropriate age group for the 16 and older for you to select. And I'm going to share my screen with you, and let's just walk through how to get to MyTurn and how to select the appropriate categories for booking your vaccine. So let's go here, and here is the Butte County COVID vaccine webpage. And if you scroll down past the federal retail pharmacy program, you'll get to the community vaccination clinics. And this one is for the Chico Community Vaccine Clinic. It shows you the clinic dates and sign up link. So myturn.ca.gov. These are the below current available dates. So if I just click on MyTurn, it takes me to the state's site, and it asks some eligibility questions and asks me which language I would like. So I go ahead and say register and check my eligibility. It wants you to certify a few things, that you're at least 18 years of age, or if you have a parent legal guardian, certify that the information you're submitting is true, and read through some of the privacy statements on here. So you'll do that. And then you'll select your age range. And right now, 16 to 49 is now available. So I click on that. I answer some questions about underlying health conditions. I'm just going to say no, because it's eligible to anyone, regardless of the qualifying health conditions. And then you'll select the business or industry that you work in. So I just want to select something just so you can see, a younger person that might be, let's just say, unemployed. And then I'm going to select Butte County, and I don't have an access code, so I'll just hit continue. And it says, congratulations, you are now eligible. I won't go any further through this process because it's, I don't need to, I'm not, in that age group, so I don't need to book, but that age is now available on the MyTurn site, and it should be very easy to book a vaccine appointment through MyTurn. So moving on, we've received some questions about vaccine allocation and whether or not supply will be able to keep up with demand now that the 16 and older age group is eligible. And what I can tell you is that we have weekly phone calls with the state. And our weekly call this week with the state has confirmed that our allocations remain steady, and we can meet the current demand for Butte County residents to get vaccinated. Today, for example, the Chico Community Vaccination Clinic has over 1,800 people who are scheduled to get their vaccine. And there are many other community and hospital and pharmacy vaccine clinics throughout Butte County. So that Chico Community Vaccine Clinic is not the only one. Depending on where you are, you can go onto the COVID vaccine website that we were just on and select from one of the many places to get your COVID vaccination. As always, Butte County Public Health will continue to offer the vaccine to anyone who wants it, as long as they are eligible and as long as our allocations continue. And there's no indication at this time that those allocations will decline. So we're looking good. Lastly, I want to encourage everyone who is eligible and who wants the vaccine to get their vaccine now. We urge you not to wait for any one particular vaccination. All available vaccines are free, and they're proven to prevent severe illness, hospitalization, and death. And that's really the point, to keep you from getting really, really sick and to the point where you're in the hospital, or even to the point where you lose your battle and succumb to a COVID-19 infection. So with cases increasing across the nation, including many of the cases to have the new variants. And a lot of these cases occurring in people in their 30s and 40s. We're seeing more cases in that younger age group than we have in quite some time. So the best vaccine is the one that is offered to you now, the one that is available to you first. They are all, like I said, proven to prevent the illness and hospitalization and death. So let's work together to build our community immunity in Butte County and put this pandemic in our rearview mirror. Again, go to the COVID vaccine website on the Butte County Public Health website, and you can see every available community, hospital, or retail pharmacy-based vaccine clinic option for you throughout the county. So as always, thank you for sticking with me today, and stay safe and healthy until next week.